On this video, I will guide you through how to reverse a video in Capcut easily. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And also, if you find this guide useful, then I would suggest that you smash that subscribe button to stay connected. And also, doing that is going to help me on my YouTube growth journey. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, simply start by opening your Capcut app. Then once you've opened your Capcut app, you have to click on New Project. You can see it over there. Just click on New Project and then select the video that you want to work on. So let me use this video for a quick example. So once the video are finished loading up, what you have to do, you have to split the section that you want to put on reverse. So let me just go ahead and split any section of this video. In order for you to split a video, you have to click on the video first, and then that's going to bring out this option where you can split the video. So let me split any section. So you can see the split option over there. So just click on it. So you can see now the video I've split it into 2 parts. So if you want to split it into 3 parts, all we have to do is just click on this second section, and then we'll click split again. And now you can see that the video has been splitted into 3 different sections. So let's say we want to reverse this middle section. So all we have to do is just click on this middle section and then scroll till we see the reverse option. So once you see the reverse option, all you have to do is just click on it, and it's going to start processing it. And then let me say in about 5 minutes or 3 minutes, depending on how long that part is, it's going to reverse that section of the video. And that's it for reversing your video with the Capcut app. Alright, before we bring this video to a close, if you actually found any value on this video, then I would suggest that you smash that subscribe button and actually help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a long time now, and it has been taking me forever to get there. But with your help, I know that for sure I can get there way faster. And that's it for that. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video.